Mm-mm. You know the steam mine to up my signals. Never tell if we are black. We are doing a pink. Mama, no matter what me I do, me I feel cute to take my mug shot. Go and look around and see if I can find nothing. Mm-hmm. Good God, man. The woman look like you need the money more than we. Who, who are you? Yo, no long chatting, send any money, no. So this a girl that smell like statue in here. You wanna talk to you? Lols. I'm gonna work a little more, yeah. Yo, you have a ramping. Yeah, waste my time. Hey, good in the worthless after all. Gilda, look ya. Backside, finally. But, how is the ecstasy? No, my antidepressants. What? Are you depressed too? What ya? But you have a right for depressed, no, but no one a broke girl. Your father didn't care though. Hey, hey, but I wish light bulb you so make you so bright. My box off, you lick them off to your faces where them big. You ease yourself and go look round again. Alright, me move your car if ever stand here and see. At first, me ever see somebody put pots in the bathroom. How are this? Hmm. Smell good though. Mm-mm. Backside. Gilda. Come here with one spoon. Girl, you have to take. What you doing, my granny ashes?